Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Balaji Academy. This is Praveen Kumar Vangala, physics trainer. So here's a good news to all that we are going to come with a new crash course, especially for JEE and NEET 2022 aspirants. As you all know, the importance of this crucial time in order to maintain your momentum, two things you need to concentrate. One is revision, and equally important, secondly, practice. Okay, these two definitely we assure you that these two we are going to provide during this crash course period. And the course is going to be commenced from 20th May 2022 by top faculty, and this will be exclusively interactive live classes. And during these classes we are going to concentrate mostly on the objective orientation of a particular chapter on concept and objective, focusing mostly on a numerical and focusing mostly on the objective with the support of concepts. And very importantly, we'll focus on the previous year competitive questions also, because you need to know how a question can be expected based on a particular concept in the final exam, competitive exam. That is very important. So focusing on that, every chapter will be just moving in this limited time. And as you all know, the time is the big constraint here during this course crash course period. So keeping all the important chapters in a criteria, and also the numerical and concept oriented, we are going to give this crash course. And definitely I can say by the end of the course you'll be confident on all the concepts that you learn and ready to crack the NEET and JEE as well. So what are you waiting for? Let us meet this